Strengthening exercises to build powerful muscles. Remember, you can find the link to upcoming workshops and courses in the video description and pinned comment. This is crucial for overall health and disease prevention. Muscles play a vital role in regulating metabolism, controlling blood sugar levels, and preventing chronic diseases. Listen to this strengthening exercise daily until you notice significant muscle growth and changes. As you perform this strengthening exercise, focus on the muscles in a specific area of your body. Visualize your muscles repairing, growing, and becoming more defined. We're strengthening your core, central nervous system, spinal cord, sacrum, coccyx, and tailbone. We're engaging and relaxing your core and every cell in your body to absorb and implement this information. We're connecting your central nervous system to the muscle group you've chosen in both directions. From top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front, and front to back. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time within a finite time frame. We're going to strengthen and program this connection to keep it stable, centered, and balanced. We're strengthening all of your muscle mass. We're tightening and relaxing the muscles from the fibers, membranes, cytoplasm, myofibrils, sarcomeres, actin, myosin, sarcoplasmic reticulum, and T-tubules. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time within a finite time frame. We're strengthening the connective structures, strengthening the endomysium, paramysium, and epimysium. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time within a finite time frame, strengthening the tendons, capillaries, and all the connective tissue that attaches muscles to bones. The force generated by muscles to the skeleton is strong, producing movement. We strengthen blood vessels to provide oxygen and nutrients to muscle fibers and remove waste products, strong enough to work the entire body to produce movement and strength, strengthening each part of the muscle for its specific function, strong enough to contract and generate force, building adequate muscle mass to improve insulin sensitivity, strengthening the cardiovascular system, strong enough to maintain a healthy weight, and strong enough to increase bone density, making daily activities easier and more efficient. We increase strength, endurance, speed, agility, coordination, and flexibility in the muscles. Strong in our desire and need for an active, independent, and self-sufficient life. We strengthen all muscle mass to improve balance, core strength, and stability. We strengthen your awareness to contribute to muscle strength through your daily habits. Be strong enough to exercise regularly. Be strong enough to get sufficient rest. And be strong enough to nourish your body mindfully. We boost metabolism and enhance the body's ability to absorb and assimilate proteins, amino acids, vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, omega-3, and carbohydrates. We strengthen the proteins that make up the majority of muscle mass. Stay strong for muscle repair and growth. Harness the power of amino acids to build proteins. Utilize strong vitamins and minerals for proper muscle function and protein synthesis. We increase the absorption and assimilation of vitamin D for calcium absorption and muscle function. Maintain strong calcium levels for optimal muscle contraction. Ensure strong magnesium levels for protein synthesis and muscle function. Boost vitamin C for collagen synthesis and tissue repair. Strengthen your body with B-complex vitamins. B6, B12, and folic acid are essential for energy metabolism and protein synthesis, Consume carbohydrates to fuel your body and aid in muscle recovery. We boost hydration to support cellular function and muscle recovery. Establish a sleep routine that promotes muscle mass recovery and protein synthesis. We eliminate the cumulative effects of sleep deprivation that have hindered muscle repair and the production of anabolic hormones like testosterone. We enhance the body's ability to assimilate, absorb, and transport nutrients. Train intensely to create micro tears in muscle fibers. Push hard so that muscles repair and grow bigger and stronger. We boost growth hormone, insulin, and testosterone to promote protein synthesis and muscle repair. Work hard to gradually increase the load and resistance in your workouts. Strong enough to continuously stimulate muscle growth. We align you with all your ancestors who had physical, mental, and emotional health. We strengthen muscle memory so your muscles remember their previous shape and strength. Staying strong even after long periods of inactivity. We eliminate the effects of prolonged inactivity, memories of injuries, or any other circumstances that prevented you from exercising. Strong enough to regain muscle mass and strength much more quickly when resuming training. We strengthen the stem cells that reside in your muscles. Strong enough to fuse with muscle fibers, increasing the number of nuclei and allowing for greater growth potential. Strong for the reconstruction, adaptability, and resilience of your body. Strong enough to maintain fitness over time. We strengthen your physical, mental, and emotional intelligence. We're going to strengthen you for everything, positive, not positive, negative, and not negative. Strong or weak, same or different, change or no change, perception or lack thereof. We're going to strengthen internal and external dynamics, internal and external boundaries, and vertices to 100% with infinite potential, all the time within a finite time frame. We'll eliminate all weaknesses and anything that hinders, limits, delays, or blocks the strengthening of your muscles. With its cumulative effect, we'll make 0 minus infinity 100% of the time within a finite period. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel now, the same or different?